Paul's fixing to get out.
Paul just jumped in. I was already impressed. Mama jumped out of the boat.
I'll go get her from the boat over there.
You can jump in.
I'm getting my life jacket on good.
Put your ski belt on too, Mama.
My ski belt on too. I did. I went off a swing one time down there at Lay Lake and I didn't mean to.
Wanda, go off of it. She said if she goes off of it, you got to.
You get that little tape, Paul?
I got the very end of it.
Damn.
Well, I'm sorry. I was trying to operate it.
Are y'all sure
Y'all-
this life jacket's
yes.
gonna hold me up?
It's going to hold you up. Paul, come on out here and get Mama.
Hang on. You get on and hang on.
Okay.
Don't let go out.
You got him?
Yeah.
You see it? Does
Yeah.
it say record on
Yes,
the
it's recorded.
Okay.
It's not sinking and quit. Both y'all sit down right now.
Get on this side.
Hang on tight. Hang on.
On the other side, kids.
Wrap around. Ready?
Yeah.
Arms around me. You ain't gonna hold your nose.
Adam, hold on.
Go.
Oh God, Paul went on top of him. No, there he is.
You jumped off my back. I had to land on something.
You landed on me, Paul.
He was between my legs. I was trying to get him out. All right, come on, Mama.
He's laughing.
Do that to me.
All right, hang on. Let go of me.
Turn it off for a minute.
Well, you got a life jacket on. Just do that.
You know how to swim?
No.
Alex. That makes it louder. You want to get back in the water? Always wants to be smooth. Water. Quit.
God, my feet still not touching.
That cows, y'all. I'm gonna jump out on the other side of the boat. You don't film jumping out of the boat, Daddy.
Okay. Jump. All right, now swim to the shore. You're not getting back in.
You ain't got it running constantly, have
All
you?
right.
Hold on.
Hold on, boy. What if I can't?
I ain't worried about you.
Yeah, but I'd land on him.
Don't land on him, whatever you do.
God almighty. Go, Josh.
I got him.
Go. Shit.
Let go.
Did you get him?
The other way, other way.
Alex! I'm right here. Don't. Oh, who is that? Adam. Daryl, pop his behind.
Just go, and as soon as you feel it stop, then jump. Don't wait till it starts coming back.
You see a lot of stuff.
Joy, you got the camera on?
Yes.
Not go just any second.
All right.
All you gotta do is pick up your feet, Mother. Go.
Let go when everybody
Will I
hollers.
come up when I go?
Yes.
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 Alex is
Let go
waiting
when we
on
holler, let go.
Yeah, Alex is gonna stay so bad.
You filming it, aren't you, John?
Yeah.
All right.
Are you sure I'm gonna be okay?
Yes.
All right. We all
Come
right
get out
here.
there so when I come up, if I get stroke.
I'll jump right in. I'm ready.
I want you out there when I come up.
Give him a swing. Give him a swing. Let him go. Watch out. Don't let it hit your head. Look, I don't have on anything, and I came right back up.
What you do? Kick with your feet when you go down?
But if you just pull your legs up, your feet are going to hit and then push back up. So I'm standing up right here. Just come to at least here.
That life jacket's gonna bring you right back up.
Mama.
Okay, y'all
Sit
sit
down,
down.
Mama.
Go,
Adam.
Ma. You only live once.
Don't touch it.
No, don't push that.
Don't you touch her.
Oh, I can't do it.
Come on, Ma. Just pick your feet up and hang on.
Feet up.
Go.
Just pick them up. That's all you gotta do.
Stand there.
You pick your feet up, you're gonna go.
Feel like you got a grandkid drowning out here. You got to get to him.
Yeah.
I'll take a second.
But Watch out, Alex. Alex, don't go out there. Move.
Stay right there.
Alex.
By the boat, baby. Okay, roll back, baby, because Mama might hands might split.
Go, Ma. Do it. Just pick your feet up and go. Go, you're almost there. Go, just pick your feet up.
Just pick one up. Now pick the other one up.
Go. Now drop.
Drop.
Yes, don't go back there.
Uh-oh.
All right, Amber. Now, Mama did it. Mama can do it. You can do it. I'll get it. I got it.
Hey, get all the dirt out of it and throw it back up here. Just wash it out, Adam, and throw it to me. Make sure you get it all the way to me.
John, you still got it running?
Yep.
You can cut it off.
Yeah.
All right, John, you got it?
Yep.
Yes, y'all stay back. For Adam.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, we don't. We're in trouble.
Can't reach you, big.
There you go. Let go. Hey.
All right, Mama. You okay?
You have to hold your nose.
Yeah, I'm okay.
You didn't swallow your teeth, did you?
You okay, Mom?
You have to hold your